Hi guys, it's Tamara from Pristis here. Just wanted to show you 2 new items that we just got into the store. So if you're not a fan of a really big diaper bag, we just got in the minis. They're so cute. This is just size comparison. So normally you pay about $140 to $200 for the larger ones. These both are going to be $84.99. We have it in olive and we have it in cognac, which is so cute. I paired it with the coffee and cream little holder. They might be small, but they have really good storage capacity still. You still have this pocket here, nice big opening. You still have your bottle pockets. And both of these do come with the changing pad still in the back. Right here you unzip this and there's a nice changing pad. They kept the patent pending feet. So cute. Alright guys, you can get these in the store and online at pristis.com or come on down at 1240 Farmington Avenue. We are open Fridays and Sundays from 10 to 2.